Tessa, owner and dermatologist of Skin Matters, and my favorite topic is always about atopic dermatitis. So how do we treat AD? So the first part is skincare. So bathing is very important when treating atopic dermatitis. Next is applying a moisturizer. That's why you really have to bring your moisturizer when you have AD, and then being gentle with your skin. So I'm here on vacation and I have this small bag of things that I usually bring, not only for myself but also for my daughter. So sometimes we recommend like a wet wrap. So we have like these gauze pads. So after you apply the moisturizer, apply the medication, you apply on the first layer the wet gauze, the thicker, a thicker wet gauze, and then on top a dry gauze, or a wet pajama and then on top the dry pajama. This wet wrap will help with absorption of the medication as well as the itchiness of the skin. Aside from this, we also recommend trigger management. So knowing the triggers like weather, hot or cold weather. So after you go in a plane, your skin gets dry and you go in a humid environment, like you go to the beach or go in a humid country, so your AD can be flared. And then clothing, so choose clothing that is cotton, not wool. And then stress perfumes, even the detergents like the Downy, the perfume detergents can also trigger AD. And lastly, medication can be applied. So this is totoo. So I usually bring like a steroid cream, like a topical steroid cream to apply on the affected area. I also bring like an antibiotic cream for the wound in case there's like a bite. Also some soothing creams to soothe the affected areas. And then, okay, another antibiotic cream. And then, of course, it's also important to always apply sunscreen when you're on vacation, because you never know when you can be exposed under the sun and you need to reapply. So this is my kit of all the things that I bring whenever I go on vacation for myself and for my daughter. It's helpful to have a bag of all your essentials, because when you're traveling, sometimes the medications it's not available and it's hard to buy steroids or the creams that you need to apply on your skin, and you're not going to enjoy your vacation if you have itchy skin. I hope this video has helped you, and I hope you watch the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.